أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما يكون من نجوى ثلاثة إلا هو رابعهم ولا خمسة إلا هو سادسهم ولا أدنى من ذلك ولا أكثر إلا هو معهم أينما كانوا ثم ينبئهم بما عملوا يوم القيامة إن الله بكل شيء عليم. ألم تر إلى الذين نهوا عن النجوى ثم يعودون لما نهوا عنه ويتناجون بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وإذا جاءوك حيوك بما لم يحيك به الله ويقولون في أنفسهم لولا يعذبنا الله بما نقول حسبهم جهنم يصلونها فبئس المصير. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تناجيتم فلا تتناجوا بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وتناجوا بالبر والتقوى واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون. إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا وليس بضارهم شيئا إلا بإذن الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Have you not considered that Allah knows what is in the heavens and what is on the earth? There is in no private conversation three, but that He is the fourth of them, nor are there five, but that He is the sixth of them, and no less than that and no more except that He is with them, in knowledge, wherever they are. Then He will inform them of what they did on the day of resurrection. Indeed Allah is, of all things, knowing. Have you not considered those who were forbidden from private conversation? Then they returned to that which they were forbidden and converse among themselves about sin and aggression and disobedience to the messenger. And when they come to you, they greet you with that word by which Allah does not greet you and say among themselves, why does Allah not punish us for what we say? Sufficient for them is hell, which they will enter to burn, and wretched is the destination. O you who have believed, when you converse privately, do not converse about sin and aggression and disobedience to the messenger, but converse about righteousness and piety, and fear Allah, to whom you will be gathered. Private conversation is only from Satan that he may grieve those who have believed, but he will not harm them at all except by permission of Allah, and upon Allah let the believers rely.
أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا.
Establish prayer at the decline of the sun from its meridian until the darkness of the night, and, also, the Quran of dawn. Indeed, the recitation of dawn is ever witnessed.